I'll tell you the crucial aspects you need to know before purchasing a gun. Don't make a move without watching this. You are about to learn the difference between being a responsible gun owner and being held responsible as the gun's owner. Before purchasing a firearm, it is vital to have a plan in the event you are involved in a defensive incident. If you are a prospective, new, or established gun owner who has not given this what-if scenario much thought, there is no better time than now. Before you decide on a handgun, long gun, caliber, or holster, you need to plan for the worst. Notice earlier I said incident. Use of any weapon, not only guns, can be problematic if your actions are seen as overly aggressive. There are 50 states in the Union. Each one has their own laws. You need to know these laws for your own protection. State laws are a subject for another video. We buy equipment and train for the event when we must use deadly force to defend ourselves or others against severe bodily injury or death. This video is about being prepared for the aftermath of such an occurrence. Recently, in Texas, a man involved in a cut-and-dried case of self-defense was found guilty of a crime because his social media posts were used to paint him as evil. See the link in the pinned comments to read the entire article. The pertinent paragraph reads, "Following the trial, Judge Brown unsealed court records revealing racist messages and anti-protest sentiments Perry posted on social media prior to the shooting. In one of the social media posts, Perry wrote, 'Black Lives Matter is racist to white people. It is official. I am racist because I do not agree with people acting like monkeys.'" End quote. I am drawing on my life experience to help you avoid a similar fate. What follows is my opinions. Using them is at your discretion. Seek legal advice from a lawyer. Check the description for a link to a legal YouTube channel I follow. Let us begin with a plan of action. First, we clean up your backstory. Decades ago, a popular t-shirt read, "K 'em all, let God sort 'em out." YouTube does have some words they're sensitive about. If you have any of these, burn them. That sign in your front window that says, "Nothing inside is worth dying for." Get rid of it. You do not want to appear too eager to visit violence on those that would do you harm. If your TikTok videos are of you sitting in your car crying about your life issues, be ready to receive a red flag award from a concerned citizen. Get a grip. Your social media postings will be examined if there is any doubt about a claim of self-defense. I am not saying you need to be a saint. You can be notable, just don't be notorious. There is an old saying, "It is difficult to build a birdhouse when a sledgehammer is the only tool you got." What? You never heard it? Well, I am old, and I said it, so now you know. My point here is you need more than a gun and ammunition. You need alternatives. You may have to go to DEFCON 1 immediately if there is no other choice. But what if there is a lower level of force option when problems arise? If a dog is a problem, and you can use pepper spray to get it to leave you alone, you still have the option of greater force if needed, and your karma remains intact. Pepper spray is fairly inexpensive and readily available. The next three options are more controversial and may be limited by state and local laws. Stun devices, batons, and knives. All of these require additional training and skills. My advice is that there needs to be some middle ground available between DEFCON 5 and DEFCON 1, the Smith & Wesson 500 hand cannon. Now comes the preparation for any legal challenges to your actions, just in case you are being tried by 12 instead of carried by 6. There are two options. The first is organizations that offer an insurance policy, like the one I use, USCCA. They are not sponsoring this video. The other is groups of attorneys that are associated and work on a retainer-based plan. Links to information on both plans are in the description. I have a card in my wallet that instructs me on what I need to do and what to say to the police when they arrive. There is also a number to get legal assistance involved. If you are a breadwinner for your family, verify what, if any, coverage is available for bail, just in case. Know the limits of coverage, including what applies to criminal and civil actions. Yes, there are folks that are looking to make you pay for causing them to lose a family member. If you found value in my advice, please like, share, and subscribe. I am happy to answer questions and comments. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one.